Something short me out. Feeling short, एक चैंपियन टीचर थी और एक ऑर्डिनरी टीचर थी. कितना फर्क होता है विशाल है. It's not a big distance that you have to cover. Come on. Make a promise. Then what you will. खेलना मुझे हवादिस में अगर आसानियां हो जिंदगी दुश्वार. Trying to live in the discomfort. There are two kinds of pain in this world. One pain is called the pain of discipline. But the moment you discipline yourself, that pain is no more. And the other pain, which you can never handle in your life, that is the pain of remorse. Much more. More pain जो है इसका कोई solution. So you have to make a choice. कौन सी पेन को ऑन करना है? पेन ऑफ डिसिप्लिन को या पेन ऑफ रिमोर्स? चलाने की तकनीक को या डिसिप्लिन की तकनीक? When I'm telling you जब अपने डिसिप्लिन जब आपने जब अपने आप को आखिरी ही मुश्किलों को बना दिया, तो फिर क्या होगा? तो मुश्किलें आपको मुश्किल करेंगी. अब मुश्किलें इतनी बड़ी कारोबार सोच सकती हैं. That comes I did. You make promises. You do take risks. But you can't keep on taking risks for the things that you have been doing before. And you don't know anything. It is said that if you keep on doing what you have been doing, you will keep on getting what you have been getting. So, if you wish to get something different, if you wish to get something more, if you wish to get something Add more value to the thing compared to the value before. Yeah. Yes. If I can reach you from there, I will be traveling the distance. I'll be consuming more time. I'll be consuming more fuel, energy. But I reach you there from there. When you exactly short distance. That's not exactly